neighbors, high five to me. Oh, cool. So I'm looking at enhancing science education through GLOBE program. My name is Beatrice Oyange, Kenya. I come from Kenya in Africa. I hope you all know where that is. Yeah, that's beautiful. So I've been in GLOBE since 2019 as a GLOBE teacher, and the first GLOBE protocol that attracted me to GLOBE was the mosquito protocol. The hydrosphere protocol has been a kick-up for me for those years. So when I decided to do this, I was wondering why it is important for us to integrate GLOBE protocols into the curriculum. Most of the speakers that have come before me have explained it very well, especially the students that spoke with Christine. Yeah, she did it so well. So I'll not go into that because I don't want the bell to ring before I finish what I want to say. Through teaching the GLOBE protocols, using the GLOBE protocols in our classrooms as teacher. Did I say I'm I'm a middle school teacher? Yes, I'm a middle school teacher. Hashtag GLOBE teacher forever, and I always say I'll always be a teacher. So through teaching in our classrooms, using the GLOBE protocols, using the resources that GLOBE has put for us in the GLOBE website, it becomes very easy for us to enable our children to become, to create environmental literacy within our schools. So if you see the picture that is on the slides, our students have been able to collect data. They're able to record whatever they collect. And over the years, we've been studying a particular area, Chuda Moroto slums. I was told we should not call it slums. I'm not sure what you want me to, which word you want me to use, but it's a slum area. That is on the fourth picture. It's an area we've studied for a very long time because we've been looking at effects of poor waste management on the breeding of mosquitoes. We've looked at the effect of poor waste management on the air quality. We've looked at the effect of poor waste management on the people that are around that place. So this is an area that we've looked at, and our students have been able to, every year they come up with a new project that can be done in this particular area. So today, if you visit Chuda Moroto slums and you ask, do you know Sri Swaminarayan? They'll tell you, yes, the GLOBE team, they will know that. So apart from just using these things in our classes, through the children that we teach, we are able to reach the community at large. We are reaching the family. I believe in instilling this knowledge in children, because if you have a little girl and the girl comes home and tells you, Mommy, these are mosquitoes. Mommy, you need to flip an empty container. Mommy, you don't have to do this or that. We are already educating the society when we are educating these children. So we have also used the GLOBE resources in our classroom. The picture on top is a picture that I took from one of our classes, and there were GLOBE students who are training other students within their classes in using the scientific processes to solve problems within the society. So this is a point where we are going to have a science fair. So it was a mandate for the GLOBE students to teach the other students. What a beautiful thing. Because in our school, GLOBE program is a club. We are yet to try and find out ways. I'm trying to see how I can squeeze it into the curriculum. So all the science teachers, as it is now, we go through trainings, we train them, and we have been lucky to have professionals like Professor Becky Boga. Big up. Thank you, Becky. Becky has been visiting our schools 3 times now. Cool. And we've also been working closely with the Kenya Space Agency through Charles, who have been, the team have been visiting our schools for lots of training with our students. Collaborations with professionals. There are so many professionals within. I welcome you to come to our school, and not only our school. As a day-year representative of Africa, I don't want to do it in Swaminarayan only. It's been 5 years in Swaminarayan. I want to reach out to children, specifically in public schools, who have difficulties in finding this information. as GLOBE representatives that are here, we receive this knowledge from here. What do we do with the knowledge that we get from here after today, after tomorrow, after Thursday? What are we going to do? So I want to use the knowledge that I've acquired from here to reach out to students in public schools. I've started that. I've only visited 2 schools so far, and I want to make sure that we visit as many schools as possible. And in one school that I visited, we were doing mosquito protocol, and we were observing mosquito larvae. And that's the school, you see the students in blue. Simon, please don't blow the whistle, don't blow the whistle. Yeah. So one of the students said this, Miss, do you know that we always drink this mosquito larva in the water, and we did not know it's mosquito? Very sad. Well, the use of technology through data visualization is one of the other things that we've been able to help the students do. So in my last slide, I don't want just to say something and you think that I'm just telling stories. I would like you to listen to this student that is here.
I have been an active member of the GLOBE Club at my school for about 4 years straight, and have taken part in the annual IVSS multiple times. By participating in GLOBE activities, I have learned how to tackle a problem by testing different approaches. I've also gained technical skills, like carrying out an experiment using the scientific process, and writing a research report, as well as sharing our findings using different methods and for different audiences, such as using scientific posters and video documentaries. I also honed important skills such as being able to work with a team. During this time, I discovered that it is possible for students like me to help contribute towards addressing global issues like climate change and to make a difference. I now enjoy mentoring the new students of GLOBE so that they can also benefit from these experiences.
Well, that is Manal Ghulam, a pioneer student in our school. She's been in GLOBE since 2019. And before I leave, I would want to know, where do I hand over Manal Ghulam? Manal will be finishing her A-levels in September next year. Where do I hand her over? Because I don't want to lose the knowledge that she has acquired. Thank you.